2008 Volkswagen Jetta AC compressor. Okay, so I go from underneath the vehicle. I grab my 15 millimeter. It's got a 13 on the opposite end, and you release. It's got two belts actually for this compressor. So you release one of the belts. This is how you loosen the tension. You turn it towards the left. See, releases one of the belts. That's the outer ring, and then it's got one more tensioner up top, same 13, and you release that one. You see, loosen it, and you can loosen both serpentine belts on the clutch. Next, you've got three 13s, one there, one behind this plug. See, one behind the plug, and one up top. One up top. Three 13 millimeters. Once you loosen those three, your AC compressor should come down off of the vehicle, and then you just remove the AC lines. 2008 Jetta.